Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace or repair the drive axle of the drive shaft on Volkswagen Passat 6. The procedure is similar for most Volkswagen cars. Removing the left or the right drive axle is a similar procedure. In my case I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the left drive axle. We start by removing the wheel. Next I'm going to show you the drive axle. The drive axle is right there. You need to remove those 3 bolts for the ball joint. We need to remove that bolt that holds the CV joint to the wheel hub, and there are 6 bolts holding the inner CV joint to the transmission that we need to remove. On the other side it's exactly the same. Again, 3 bolts on the ball joint, 1 bolt on the outer CV joint, and 6 bolts on the inner CV joint to the transmission. First we're going to remove this lower side of the wheel arch liner. It's held by these bolts. This way we have more access to the drive axle. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the bolt holding the CV joint to the wheel hub with size 24 12-volt socket. Next we're going to remove the 6 bolts holding the inner CV joint to the transmission. In order to remove them, we're going to put a screwdriver into the brake disc to keep the drive axle from turning, and now we're going to be removing them. For this ratchet I'm only going to loosen the bolts. I'm going only to loosen the bolts that are on the front of me, that are easier to get to. Afterwards I'm going to remove the screwdriver and turn the drive axle and get to the next 2 bolts, and again then to the next 2 bolts. After I loosen all the bolts, I'm going to get an electric ratchet and remove the bolts completely. I'm not going to take out the bolts, they're going to stay in there. I'm just going to remove them from the threads, and that's it. Next I'm going to remove the 3 bolts holding the ball joint. Next I'm going to remove the CV joint from the wheel hub. And now I can take out the drive axle. And that's the drive axle out. Now I can replace the inner CV joint, the outer CV joint, whatever you need to do, and then, or the whole drive axle, and then put it back on the car. Now I'm going to put the drive axle back on the car. First I'm gonna put it in place, put the outer CV joint into the wheel hub, and next I'm going to tighten the inner bolts for the inner CV joint. First I'm going to tighten them by hand, and then I'm going to use the ratchet. In order to tighten the bolts on the inner CV joint, I'm going to put again the screwdriver in there into the brake disc to hold it from turning while I tighten the bolts. Once all the bolts are tightened, I'm going to assemble everything else in the reverse order. I'm going to put the ball joint back in its place on the control arm and the CV joint in all the way. Then I'm going to put on the 3 nuts and tighten them. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.